This is the shooting range. As you can see, it's in some bad need of maintenance. So I'm going to go ahead and get it mowed, trim up some of these trees that have come back. And this will take me a couple hours. I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing. So we've got a clog or something tangling the blades. I had some camouflage cloth out here and apparently it's blown over where it's not supposed to be. May take a minute, it may take 10 seconds to get it unwrapped. It is a pretty big entanglement, so I'm going to go back to the house where I've got some tools and take care of this. And then I'll be back to mow. All right, I'm back. Got the cloth out of the blades, untangled. There was also an old piece of barbed wire that was wrapped around. I ended up having to tighten the blades because that wire pushed them down a little. I'm going to film one more pass back and forth and just turn the cameras off until not even be able to get this done before dark. I may be back out here tomorrow. We will see, but either way I'll show it to you when it's done. Not sure how well this is going to show up where the sun is, but today I'm back at shooting range. I've got a solar panel out here that I left last year. Once I find it, that's why I'm using the electric weed eater. Once I find it, I will go back to either push mowing or ride mowing, but I've got to find that panel. No luck yet, but I'm sure that it's in here in this general area. I may have put it a little further back. Okay, we are close because I just found some cables that go to it. Aha! So the panel's not broken in any way. Just got to be able to pull the cables the rest of the way out of the weeds. Now I'm still going to have to do some weed eating under the shed where you shoot from. There's the top of it. Posts, table. I'm also going to take out some of the shrubbery around this area. Originally, we had it set up here so you could put up a tent in case there's more people that need to be under cover of the sun than the shed can hold. It's a 12 by 10 by 12, I think, or maybe a 12 by 12, I don't remember. Okay, here is a view from underneath the shooting shed of the cleaned up shooting range. I've still got a couple of little shrubby things right behind me to cut, but I'm calling it a day. This is a 100-yard shooting range. That white post out there is 100 yards. That orange jug you see sitting on that bench, that's about 60 yards. That piece of plywood is 75. Those two posts right there are 50, and that is 20. So that's the shooting range completed, except for right here. I've got those little bushes right there still to cut, but I am beat and calling it a day.